Hello guys and welcome back to the tutorial of Java. In this tutorial we are going to see what is variable and data type. First we see what is variable. Variable is something that is used to store data in the memory. First thing that should keep in mind that whenever you are going to define a variable or data type, basic syntax is data type name space variable name is equal to value and at last a semicolon. Here data type name is the type of data that the variable can hold like integer or float. And the variable name is the variable that we declare to hold a value like a, b, c or any name. Now let me discuss that what actually variable and data type is. Variable is the name of reserve area allocated in the memory. In other words, it is the name of memory location. It is a combination of vary plus able. That means its value can be changed. As shown in the example in front of your screen, let's take first. Integer data is equal to 50. Here data is a variable and int is a type of data type, that is integer, and the value 50 it is allocated to the variable data. Now let it take as a practically. Suppose in the previous example we have printed hello as output in our CMD screen. Let's take the example it again with the help of javac, name of that file that is simple, and at last the extension that is Java. If it is successfully compiled, a new file will be generated as simple.class file. Now to run this file, java space name of that class, that is simple, as it prints hello as output. Now to define a variable, the simple example as data type name, suppose take as an integer, variable name, let take a is equal to value, let take 50. Now we can say that we have defined a data type that is int, variable that is a, and value as a 50. Now to print this variable as output, we have to use system.out.println. Now to print the value of a, we can write directly as a. Now let's save it and again run it. It's compiled and to run. Output printed as a 50. Now to print something else like this, the value of a is equal to plus a. Now keep in mind that whatever you are going to print in between these double quotes will print in the output stream as it is. Means suppose I have printed value of a is equal to in the double quote, means the value will be printed as the output in the screen. Now plus is a concatenation operator which is used to concate or to attach a different value or to additional value. I have added the value as a, which is the name of that variable. Now output will be value of a is equal to value of a, means 50. Let's check it. It's compiled and it's run. Okay, the output is value of a is equal to, which we have printed as in double quote in system.out.println, and we have added plus a, means value of a, it's will printed as value of a is equal to 50. Now back to our tutorial. Types of variable. It generally defined as three types of variable in Java. The first one is local variable, instance variable, and static variable. Local variable, a variable which is declared inside the method is called as a local variable. Look at the example in that integer n is equal to 90, which was declared inside the method that is defined as a local variable. I have mentioned comment, means double forward slash, as a local variable. Now second one is the instance variable, a variable which is declared inside the class but outside the method is called as an instance variable. It is not declared as a static, like int data is equal to 50 in the given example. And the third one is a static variable. A variable that is declared as a static is called as a static variable. It can't be local, like static int m is equal to 100. In the given example, I have defined comment as a static variable. Now the data type. Data type represents the different value to be stored in the variable. In Java, there are two types of data type. The first one is a primitive and second one is a non-primitive. The primitive means integer, float, character, boolean, like that. and non-primitive data types like string, array, that is defined using the primitive data type. As we have seen earlier, that basic syntax to define any data type or variable is data type name space variable name is equal to value. As shown in front of your screen, integer a, b, c. In that, int is the data type and a, b and c is the name of the variable. In the second example, it was shown as integer a is equal to 10. Means int a is equal to 10. Means int is the data type, a is the name of the variable and 10 is the value which is allocated to the variable a. Likewise, other example is also shown. As shown in front of your screen, I have defined one variable as int a is equal to 10. Next variable is int b is equal to 10. And the third variable c, which stored the addition of that previous two variables, that is a plus b. Now I have printed as system.out.println and c. It will print as 20. Suppose in our example I have defined integer a is equal to 50, integer b is equal to suppose 30. Now suppose I want to print addition of these two. Suppose take as an example integer c is equal to a plus b. Means c is going to store value of addition, that is a plus b. Now to print addition, I can write as the addition of two variable is equal to plus, I have to write c because c is going to store addition of these two previous variables. Let's save it and again compile and run it. Suppose compile javac simple.java. Yes, it's compiled, and to run this file java and simple. Now the output is addition of 2 var is equal to 80. As I have printed double quote in between to print addition of 2 var, means it will print it as it's shown in the double quote, and plus c, which is going to concat the value of c with the addition of two variables.